The number one lie most of the women working professional believe about their self-worth is I have to make everyone happy around me, in my family, in my profession, then only I will prove myself as worthy. Wrong, my dear ladies. No need to push yourself to make everyone happy. Just make yourself happy. Connect with your inner self. And you know how it is so simple to connect with your inner self. 5 minutes of extreme silence whenever you are waking up from the bed, in spite of having all your busy schedules. 5 minutes dedicate to yourself and say to yourself, I accept myself as the way I am. I am happy and I love myself. Do that and see the balance.